Welcome to our channel. Today we how to restore Airtable form submissions after connector changes. Quick tutorial step. Start by logging into your Airtable account. Open the base where your forms are connected. Navigate to the Forms section in your base. Identify the form whose submissions need to be restored. Check for any recent changes made to the connectors associated with this form. Go to the Automations tab in your Airtable base. Review the automation that may have impacted the form submissions. If changes were made, consider reverting them to a previous version if possible. Use the History feature to track any modifications made in the last few days. If the form submissions were routed to an external service, check that integration. Ensure the external service is still connected and properly configured. Reauthorize the connection if necessary to restore functionality. If submissions were stored in another view in Airtable, check that view for entries. Look for unfiltered records to see if any submissions are visible. If records appear, export them for backup and verification. For missing entries, consider checking your email notifications if they were set up. Reach out to team members who may have access to alternative records. Test the form again to ensure that submissions are being captured correctly. Confirm that no new changes are disrupting the current functionality. Document any changes made to the setup for future reference. Once everything is verified, monitor submissions for a few days to ensure stability. Consider setting up a regular check-in on your form submissions to avoid future issues. If the page does not load, refresh the browser or try again in a private or incognito window. Make sure you are using the correct email address, then retype it carefully to avoid small typos. If your password is not accepted, use the reset option and create a new strong password you can remember. Check your spam folder for verification or security emails, then complete any requested confirmation steps. Enable two-factor authentication if available to improve account security and reduce unauthorized access risk. After signing in, review your profile details so your contact information and settings are accurate and current. Don't forget to like this video and subscribe to our channel for more step-by-step tech guides.